So when is the right time to transition? As you can tell by the many different facets of topics that we're covering in a very short period of time, um, if you're looking to improve data security and address ever-changing regulatory compliance requirements, rather, if you're looking to be fully SaaS, if you're looking to reduce costs of your on-premise upgrades and maintenance, or reducing downtime for physical upgrades, maybe eliminating ongoing infrastructure costs, and if you're looking to modernize systems with the go forward technology concept, um, you're probably looking at, in some of these cases, sooner rather than later. Once you've been able to assess your cloud strategy and determine where your ERP fits into that, um, making a commitment to technology, so whether you're committing to moving to the cloud as part of that technology change, or you're planning to stay where you are, it's important for you to ensure that your solution stays compatible with the ever-changing technology, and with GP that does mean planning for annual updates. And then when you've identified what's working and not working, you'll have that ability to look at sooner or later. And mapping out your timeline. Give yourself the right amount of time to do this properly. This isn't a project that'll be done off the side of your desk. It is a project that takes some time, investment from yourself, and it's important that that we do this properly with you. So the right time to transition is different for every business. Factors that really affect that, determining what the right time is. Again, assessing your cloud strategy, timing it with business seasonality. When is your busy time? When is the best time for you to make this change? Looking at budget, and of course that's financial as well as resourcing. And then making sure that you have the right internal resources available to assist with the planning and the testing. Encore is here to help you, whether you stay with GP or whether you choose to move to Business Central. As a valued business partner with your organization, we are definitely here for you to support you.